In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause Activecampaign. Whether you're taking a breather, tweaking your strategy, or simply need a pause, managing your automated workflows can significantly impact your marketing efforts efficiency. That's why today I'll guide you through the necessary steps to effectively pause a campaign in Activecampaign, ensuring you can do so confidently and with ease. First things first, let's get you logged into Activecampaign. Begin by navigating to the Activecampaign website. Once there, locate and click on the Login button. This should be straightforward to find, usually present at the top right corner of the web page. A click here is your first step into regaining control of your automated processes. Once you're directed to the login page, the next action requires you to enter your username. This is usually the email address you signed up with. Input this information carefully to avoid any typos that might hinder your progress. After entering your username, proceed by clicking on the Login button. This is your gateway into the backend of your Activecampaign account, where all the magic happens, from crafting emails to managing contacts and automations. Upon successful login, you will be prompted to enter your email once again. This might seem repetitive, but it's an essential step to ensure secure access to your account's administrative section. Next, you'll need to input your password. Remember, security is paramount, so ensure your password is typed correctly. Once you're certain everything's in order, click on Login to proceed to the Activecampaign dashboard. This dashboard serves as the command center for your Activecampaign account, where you have an overview of all your active operations. Once you're in, it's time to navigate to the Activecampaign home by clicking on the designated area or icon that takes you to your account's overview. This section provides a holistic view of your campaigns, including analytics, active contacts, and more importantly, automations. From here, locate and click on Automations. This section is where Activecampaign holds all your automation magic. It's the nerve center for managing the automated tasks you've set up, from email sequences to contact tagging and more. Within the automations area, find the specific automation you wish to pause. Once located, click on Edit next to it. This action allows you to tweak various aspects of your chosen automation, including its active status. Finally, to pause the automation, you'll need to find and click on Make Inactive. This effectively halts the automation from continuing its sequence until you decide to reactivate it. It's a handy feature that gives you flexibility in managing your marketing strategies, allowing you to make necessary adjustments without completely dismantling your automated tasks. Remember, pausing an automation doesn't delete it or its history, it simply puts it on hold. You can reactivate it anytime you're ready, and it will pick up right where it left off. This flexibility is invaluable for testing new strategies, making campaign tweaks, or simply taking a break. A few tips to keep in mind. Always review your automation's performance before pausing, as this might provide insights into necessary adjustments. Also, consider notifying your team about the pause to ensure everyone's on the same page. In conclusion, pausing an automation in Activecampaign is a straightforward process that can be instrumental in managing your marketing efforts more effectively. By following the steps we've outlined today, you'll be able to pause and later resume your automation, giving you the flexibility to adapt and refine your strategies as necessary. Remember, in the dynamic world of digital marketing, being able to adjust quickly is key to maintaining engagement and achieving your goals. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide serves you well in your marketing endeavors. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.